Hello, welcome. My name is Forest Leong. Today I will share the recipe the Rojak with Bovril. Okay, today I have green apple. I have pineapple with bean cut in cube. I have the sweet radish. You can use the pear as well. Okay, I have the green lime or the calamansi. I have the ginger toast or bunga dala. Okay, it's all available in the wet market. I have red chili or chili padi. I have peanut. I have the Chinese donut, people known as a youtiao, sugar, Thai sweet chili sauce, and definitely I have Bovril. Yeah. Let's start. Definitely I will use the Bovril. If you like the taste more saltier for your Rojak, maybe you use 2 tablespoons. This one and 2 is good enough. And I have a little bit of peanut in beginning with first. 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I have the Thai sweet chili sauce, maybe 2 tablespoons. Definitely you mix them together. Then I add a little bit of lime. Okay, just let them a little bit. Juice. Very good. Okay, now I start to add the fruit that I like. I love green apple. I love pineapple. Some sweet radish. Okay, some Chinese donut, youtiao. Okay. If you love spicy, some chili. Okay. A little bit we do this one, we give you a punch. Okay, and then some extra peanut. And just toss in. And then done. Some extra peanut. Don't forget some ginger toast. You may use some scissors like this, easy for you. Yeah. And then it's done. This is my Rojak with Bovril. Enjoy!